bouquet and gift certificates. And
congratulations to our winners in the last set of our awards. So once again, we would like to remind everyone that these awards for the next part of our program. At ito na nga po, most nerve-wracking portion.
Kasama ko kasi
We will be reading
mama ko yun eh.
dalawang isa in English, isa in Filipino. So, our kidams are free to choose on whatever language they are comfortable with, or as long as they express themselves better.
So, whether English or Tagalog yung may sasagot ng ating ginang, mga ginang. Dahil alam naman natin kung saan sila mas kampante or comfortable in saying their answer or your speeches, doon natin sila i-judge. It's the relevance and the laman. Yung laman, kumbaga, ng kanilang mga questions or mga answers rather. So, ito na. Kinakabahan na ako. Number 7, Delta Joy de la Torre Aquino, representing Ace Sujo, Entertainment and Production.
Okay, Ginang number 7. You have question number 18. Social media is a digital space worldwide for connectivity, e-commerce, and raising awareness. As a mother, do you believe that children should be allowed to own social media accounts?
Now let's call on Ginang number 9, Rosario Policarpio Timbon, representing Barangay Poblacion Ibaba. Go pick your question.
Okay, Ginang number 9. Question number 15. Underemployment and unemployment rates have risen in the Philippines in the past 2 years. As a mother, how do you think this affects families, and what can you do to help other mothers who have lost their sources of income? In Tagalog, sa loob ng 2 taon, ang bilang ng mga kakulangan at kawalan ng trabaho ay tumaas. Bilang isang ina, sa iyong palagay kung paano ito nakakaapekto sa isang pamilya at ano ang maaari mong gawin upang matulungan ang mga ina na nawalan ng hanap buhay.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Panginoon. Bilang isang ina, nais kong magbigay inspirasyon sa kapwa ko single parents na hindi kakulangan na 2 taon tayo nakaranas ng pandemya. Maaari nating isulong ang mga bagay na pwede natin pagkakitaan tulad ng ating advokasya na livelihood program at upang madagdagan ang kanilang extra income. At naniniwala po ako sa quotes ni Steve Maraboli na the empowered woman is powerful, beyond measure and beautiful, beyond description. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ginang number 9.
Ginang number 9.
And now, let us call on Ginang number 10, Rosaline De Velos Angeles.
It's not without